Welcome to the Motorola Moto G42, and I'll show you how to check battery temperature with Ampere app on this device. So first, let's open the Play Store application, and here in the search bar we should enter Ampere. And now we should get this application. That's why tap to install and wait a couple of seconds while this application downloading and then installing on your device. After that, we should open this app and click yes, I agree, tap to close, click to OK in the low down corner, and now we can see here the information about our device battery temperature, and in my case that's 33. Also, we can find here more information like the battery levels, health, capacity, voltage, device model, Android version, and more other info. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and to subscribe our channel.